Hey guys, I've got a fantastic tool for you, and don't skip this one. This is a very good tool, and it will help you to increase the site authority of your website, of your local business websites. And it's another CTR tool, but it's got a twist to it. Okay, so what we're going to do with this tool is we're going to get what's called referral visits. It shows up in Google Analytics as referral visits, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on pages that are linking into your website. And when we click on those pages, what we're going to do is click on the backlink and go through to your website, and we will do that session time again. And what we're going to do with that is spend more time on your website than from the site that did the referral. Okay, so this is very important, but it's really important as well that we use sites that have got traffic so that it does not look unnatural. Okay, it must look very natural. So sites like Facebook, like YouTube, or any of the local directory sites, if you're doing this for offline clients, for example, is perfect for this. And what we want to do is we want to drip feed these views with multiple keywords on each site that we're going to do this from. Okay, so ideally you're going to pick about 5 or 10 sites. You're going to pick 3 or 4 different keywords for each site that is ranking, that the page is ranking for, so that it clicks through into that page and then it clicks on your backlinks. Okay, so here I found this company here, 𝗬𝗲𝗍𝗬𝗲. I just picked it up from one of the Google business rankings, and I went and did a little bit of search and found some backlinks that it had, and I was looking for sites that have got traffic, sites that it's going to look natural if we're getting click-throughs from there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this URL and I'll go over to SerpAttack, and I will put that URL into SerpAttack so that the SerpAttack knows the URL it's going to look for when you're doing the Google search. But before we do that, we need to know what this is ranking for. Okay, so you can see here I've got this Chrome extension. It's a free Chrome extension you can get from the Chrome store. Okay, it's called FatRank. And so what I want to do is get a keyword that I know that it's going to be ranking for. Now the easiest way to do this is just to put in the brand name in here. I'm just going to put in the brand name so we can do a demo for you. Okay, so I'll put 𝗬𝗲𝗍𝗬𝗲, and I'm going to put at the end of that Facebook. Okay, I'll just put in the end of that Facebook so that we will get picked up, and we'll be able to do the campaign for the purpose of this demo video. Okay, so I'll click on check in here, and you can see this page is ranking #1 for that particular keyword phrase. Okay, so I'll take that keyword phrase and I'll put that into SerpAttack as well. And also we're going to take this URL here. I'll just click on that. You can see there's a URL just underneath the contact button, and we'll copy that as well, 𝗬𝗲𝗍𝗬𝗲.com. Okay, so 3 things that we need. We need the URL for SerpAttack to search for in the search engines. Okay, we need the keyword that it's going to search for. You can put multiple keywords, and it's better to put multiple keywords. Okay, and also we need the website that it's going to click through to. So if there's more than one link in the page, it knows which link it's looking for. So what we do is we come over to SerpAttack, and you can see here I have already set up a campaign here just to save some time for the purpose of this demo video. So all I've done is I've given the project a name. You can see the URL to search is the Facebook page. Okay, project type, I've chosen CTR website backlinks booster. You choose that first so the rest of the fields are going to be correct. Okay, make sure you choose that first. You put in the website that it's going to search for on the page, on Facebook page in this instance, and the keywords, and we've already checked that this is ranking on page 1 for that keyword. Okay, so we can find this easily, and we can just keep moving forward. Now the amount of time here to spend on the website, this is for your local business website or any website you can do this with. You can do it on a WordPress site that's not a local business site. You can do it in any website. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to choose the duration to view. Ideally you want to spend 2 minutes on a page. Okay, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make this just 1 page to go and visit. Okay, if I was to make this 2 pages to go and visit, I would make this 4 minutes. I've reached 2 minutes per page. Okay, that's the tipping point. And here I'm going to keep the web browser visible so that we can see what's actually happening, and you can see as well from previous info tab, I've got 3 views. Okay, I'll put that up to 4 just to make sure that we're getting some views when I save this and put it on. Okay, so next what you're going to see is the campaign will start immediately, almost immediately, inside the desktop tool, and the browser has popped up. So let me just expand on the browser. It will go to this page first, and then it will click through into Google, and it's going to look for the keyword. It's going to search the keyword, and it's going to look for the Facebook page, and then it will click on that, and then it's going to click through to your website. And when that happens in your Google Analytics, it will show as a referral visit. Okay, and because we're doing this from sites that have got a lot of traffic, it's not going to look unnatural. But you still want to do this if you're doing it in a real campaign, not like I've done with the demo video. You want to do some drip feed, maybe 3-4 views a day, but you can go and do this with multiple sites. You can do it with Facebook, you can even do it with YouTube descriptions, you can do it with local directory sites as well. Okay, and that way you can increase the amount of referral visits that show up in Google Analytics. Make sure you've got Google Analytics on your website though. Okay, so now it's going to scroll up and down a little bit. It's going to click on that link, go through to the website, and it will go and spend 2 minutes on the website for 1 page for this particular campaign. Okay, so that will now show and these guys Google Analytics as a referral visit from their Facebook page. Okay, powerful stuff, very, very powerful stuff. Don't skip this one. It's a very good tool, very, very good tool. Highly, I'm excited about this. I've got a real buzz about this one, because I know that if we're using high traffic sites, this is going to look perfectly natural, and we can do this with 3, 4, 5 sites, even 10 sites over a period of time, and just keep those referral visits coming, and that will put some authority into your site, and also it's going to help it to increase its rankings as well because of the time spent on the site. Thanks.